When it comes to your home, few things are more important than the roof over your head. But when problems arise, the first question most homeowners ask is simple. What's the cost for roof repair, Boise? Knowing the true cost helps you plan ahead, avoid surprises, and make sure you're getting real value for your money. The truth is, roof repair costs can vary widely depending on the size of the job, the materials needed, and the extent of the damage. That's why getting a professional roof repair cost estimate, Boise, is such an important step. A trusted estimate gives you clarity, so you know exactly what you're dealing with before making a decision. In urgent situations, you can't afford to wait. That's when having access to a fast roof repair estimate, Boise, becomes critical. With a prompt, accurate estimate, you can take action right away, keeping small issues from turning into much bigger, more expensive problems. Of course, cost isn't just about speed, it's about transparency. Understanding the price for roof repair Boise homeowners should expect means you can compare your options fairly. No guesswork, no hidden fees, just a straightforward breakdown that lets you move forward with confidence. Affordability matters too. Every homeowner deserves quality work without paying more than they should. That's where Affordable Roof Repair Boise really stands out. Affordable doesn't mean cheap or low quality. It means fair pricing combined with skilled workmanship that protects your home for the long run. Your roof does more than cover your house. It protects your family, your belongings, and your investment. Knowing the cost for repair is about more than dollars. It's about making the right decision to keep your home safe and secure. Need to know the cost for your roof repair? Call us now at 208-330-7203 or visit allprosroofingboise.com.